Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I've been on here. Other things have been getting in the way. But anyway, I'm back. I've rebranded, so I'm now going to be called Toy Infinity and Beyond. I have an Instagram account which I set up at the end of January this year, I think, where I do toy photography and a little bit of artwork, sort of crafty things and DIYs. So anyway, now that's out of the way. Don't forget to follow me on there actually. I will put the link or my @ in the description. It's going to be the same as my YouTube, so @ Toy Infinity and Beyond. Anyway, today I want to show you this Forky that I made. It's super cute. It's obviously from the Toy Story 4 film. I'm not sure if you've seen it or not. I saw it on Friday when it came out and I loved it. If you want to talk about it, please don't post any spoilers in the comments. Head over to Instagram, follow me there, and you can DM me if you want to discuss anything. But yeah, anyway, I want to show you the Forky I made. It's so cute. So yeah, let's go on with the video. So I got the Forky kit from the range. I can't remember when I bought it. Maybe Saturday, and today's Wednesday, I'm not really sure. It was £6. So it comes with this scene, which I was really pleased with because I make dioramas and that models for my Instagram account, which is Toy Infinity and Beyond. So yeah, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to make it. Oh, awesome. We even get the stickers. Oops. With the rainbow. Oh looky, this says Pizza Planet on it. I don't know if you can see that. There. It's really awkward doing it in the camera because it's like backwards on the screen. Yeah, there we go. This is Pizza Planet. So this is going to be the main Forky thing. And there's holes for the or little inlets for the eyes. And then there's tubs of dye. So this one's blue and it's got Rex on it. This one is like an off-white with Buzz. And this one is red, just says Toy Story on it. And then of course I've got the arms, which are red pipe cleaner on the eyes. And there's a little leaflet in there as well with like animating, so setting up the model, diorama and how-to instructions. So let's start by making Forky. So I'm going to mix some tiny bit of this silver glitter and some glue, because in the film Bonnie actually uses like this glitter glue. Going to lay this mat down because my table is bumpy and it's got glitter and I don't want to get glitter and that all over this. So next thing I need to do is make the mouth and the eyebrow thing, Forky. It's really sticky, but it's been quite warm the past couple of days in the UK, so it's a bit melty than it usually would be, I think. Okay, that's not too bad. It's looking pretty cool. Next thing we need to put these stickers on, which are going to act as the popsicle stick or lollipop stick. Put this one on, which is going to go around here. This should be a bit easier than the mouth and the eyebrows because it doesn't need much shaping. And then lastly, we need to make the arms. These don't seem very long, but I don't have any pack cleaner, so I'll use this anyway. I think I might use a bit of glue at the back just to secure it in place. There we have it, I made Forky. And next I'm just going to make the model room. I think this is quite easy to do. So here's the room, and now we can put Forky in the room. And this is a decent size as well. So thanks for watching. Please follow me on Instagram, as you'll be able to see my latest toy photography and also some artwork that I do as well. And if you've seen Toy Story 4 and want to talk about it, you can DM me on there. It's only just come out, so it's nice to give a couple of weeks before spoilers start being spread all over the internet. But yeah, see you next time. Thanks for watching.